In this video, we will add a sample file to the TechnoKids Class Notebook. Make sure that you have your downloaded TechnoKids project folder available. Sign into office.com and open the TechnoKids Class Notebook. In a previous video, we created a template section in the content library for students to download any template files that belong with the project. With the content library section expanded and one of the sections selected, add a new section and call it Samples. Click OK. If we have a look at our resources folder and the samples folder, we can see that this project has 4 sample files. We have 2 PDF files, a Word file, and a spreadsheet file. The PDF and the Word files are added in the same manner, where the spreadsheet file will be added as an attachment. Click on the lower portion of the page, click the Insert tab, click File, and choose Insert File Attachment. We'll go to our Samples folder, and we're going to start with the spreadsheet. Select the file and click Open. The sample file is inserted as an icon. Your students will have to save this file to preview it. Give the page a name. Now let's add pages for the remaining 3 files. Click Add Page. Click in the lower portion of the page. From the Insert tab, choose File, and we're going to do Insert File Printout. We're going to select the first PDF file. PDFs are added in two ways. They have an icon that they can be downloaded or saved, and it's also shown as a preview. Give the page a name. Let's add a new page for the next sample file. And we'll give the page a name. And we'll add a page for the last file. Again, as a Word file, it goes in as an icon that the students can save and preview, or they can just look at the preview window. Give the page a name. So that's how you add sample files to your content library.